10 good words to improve your daily English as a student. Struggling to find the right words in English for your daily conversations? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'll share 10 good words that every student should know to sound more confident and fluent in English. Let's dive in. Productive. Meaning, doing a lot or achieving results. Example, I had a productive day at school today. 2. Reliable. Meaning, someone or something you can trust. Example, a good friend is always reliable. 3. Schedule. Meaning, a plan for what you want to do. Example, I need to schedule my study time for the exams. 4. Priority. Meaning, something very important. Example, studying is my top priority right now. 5. Motivation. Meaning, the reason why you do something. Example, my teacher's advice gave me the motivation to work harder. 6. Enthusiastic. Meaning, showing a lot of interest or excitement. Example, I am enthusiastic about joining the debate club. 7. Collaborate. Meaning, to work with others. Example, we collaborated on the group project and did great. 8. Resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, even after failing the quiz, she was resilient and studied harder. 9. Opportunity. Meaning, a chance to do something. Example, this is a great opportunity to improve my English skills. 10. Appreciate. Meaning, to recognize the value of something. Example, I really appreciate your help with my homework. These 10 words can make a huge difference in your daily English. Start using them today, and let me know in the comments which word is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StudySpot for more easy and fun ways to learn English. See you next time.